As of 2026, the era of collecting rent through casual peer-to-peer apps has officially come to an end for independent landlords. This chart shows the newly lowered IRS 1099-K reporting threshold, dropping all the way down to $600, and effectively wiping out the viability of informal mobile payments. Because rent almost always exceeds that $600 mark, nearly every digital payment made outside of a formal platform now triggers automatic reporting to the IRS. You can no longer rely on platforms like Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal to run a compliant real estate business. Enter DoorLoop, a cloud-based all-in-one property management platform designed specifically to handle this modern compliance crisis. It acts as a formal hub, pulling your rent collection, double-entry accounting, and tenant communications into a single traceable system. The dilemma for operators today is finding a platform that guarantees strict compliance without taking on the sluggish bloat and high costs of a legacy enterprise system. We are evaluating whether DoorLoop's premium monthly price tag actually delivers a measurable return on investment for an independent portfolio. Transitioning to a paid platform like this in 2026 is a mandatory legal and financial shield for any serious real estate operation. This diagram maps DoorLoop's rent collection, moving from the tenant app through the payment gateway, straight into the auto ledger, and finishing with bank synchronization. Tenants pay via ACH, credit cards, or cash. Starter plans pass ACH fees to tenants, upgrade to premium for free ACH. Beyond processing payments, the platform provides critical legal protections through its Eviction status lock feature. Activating this status instantly disables online partial payments within that specific tenant's portal. That secures your legal standing by ensuring you do not accidentally accept a payment that resets the eviction clock. However, if you accept a settlement, you must manually override the block in the backend. To help you manage those backend tasks and scale your operations without hiring more staff, DoorLoop includes a built-in AI assistant. The system automates up to 80% of routine tenant requests and repetitive data entry. The catch is the setup. Landlords must invest significant time upfront to build out these workflows and train the system before it becomes useful. DoorLoop's rent collection features demand initial setup time and a monthly subscription, but in return, they give you total automated control over your cash flow and legal standing. Looking past the feature list, the transition from manual spreadsheets to an auto ledger produces immediate results. This quadrant chart maps platform cost against operational efficiency, showing DoorLoop users reporting a vertical gain of 5.3 hours saved per week compared to an Excel baseline. Earning that efficiency comes with a hidden cost. You have to navigate a strict, time-intensive onboarding period to synchronize bank accounts and migrate legacy data. Once set up, the platform's performance and ROI peak squarely in the 10 to 200 unit portfolio range. This UI scorecard compares DoorLoop's 94% visual interface score and 90.5% user adoption rate against industry averages. That high usability allows operators to skip the steep learning curves associated with legacy tools. While residential portfolios thrive, commercial operators face a specific limitation regarding common area maintenance charges. DoorLoop requires manual custom allocation for CAM charges within its reporting system, which creates friction for complex commercial workflows. DoorLoop is a massive time saver for mid-sized residential portfolios, but commercial operators must weigh that manual accounting work against the platform's clean interface. Distilling thousands of verified user reviews gives us a clear picture of the ultimate pros and cons of adopting this platform. The first major advantage is that 90.5% user adoption score. Operators can implement the software rapidly without needing to hire dedicated IT staff. As this T-chart illustrates, the second major pro is DoorLoop's all-in-one ecosystem, eliminating the need to pay for scattered accounting, listing, and payment tools. On the downside, we have to look at the tiered per-unit pricing structure. While this structure offers predictable scaling, the $69 starting price imposes a disproportionately steep burden on landlords managing fewer than 10 units. The second con is update fatigue. DoorLoop has pushed out more than 15 releases in the last 6 months alone. While those fast updates constantly add capabilities, they also occasionally introduce UI bugs and force users to relearn their adjusted workflows. The final verdict is clear. DoorLoop stands as the definitive rent collection software of 2026 for small to mid-sized property managers. This matrix plots portfolio size against the need for automation, highlighting exactly why this specific demographic wins the ROI calculation. That $69 minimum buys total IRS compliance, automated late fees, and over 5 hours of regained operational time every week. The clear exception is the micro-investor. This software is an unnecessary and oversized expense for a landlord managing just 1 or 2 doors. For growing portfolios, the platform serves as a mandatory tool for navigating the tax risks and legal requirements of the 2026 landscape.